Silversons as a company have invested heavily in training apprentices for the future. They get first class training, they will earn a great wage, and they will have a very secure future within Silversons. Or if they want to leave and they go out and about, they've got that training, they've got them skills, and they can go anywhere in the world.
I want to be a marine biologist when I'm older, but over the summer I did do a marine technology course, which was like the engineering of boats and ships, and I worked with the Navy to do that. And if I didn't get my marine biology, I'd probably look into engineering because it is something I'm also interested in.
After finish school, I'll probably become an apprentice here. Then while I'm here and actually earning some things, I'll continue my studies.
They've got the chance of getting MVQ level 2 and level 3 qualifications and become fully skilled. Engineering is a very sought after industry, it's growing.
Very interesting to learn how to curve, how to use the pillar drill and the bandsaw, and how the lathe and the mill work.
They've spent the week with us, and at the end of it, they're all still here. They've all had training, they've all learned how to use certain tools, and they've made a catapult at the end of it, and we've had a bit of fun this afternoon.
The catapult bent, and throughout the week we've had to make a catapult, and in the end ours went the furthest, but only because all the other teams went backwards.
The testing, that was really fun to see if our final product and all our hard work actually paid off, or if it didn't. Luckily it did, sort of.
I've always sort of enjoyed making stuff, using my hands to make something that I'm proud of and is actually worth. It was incredibly fun working with the apprentices, making catapults. I would say we came a solid second, very solid second.
Well, we made an adjustable tension system, so if you find that the balloon isn't going further enough, you can adjust it and make it more tight so it flies further, or vice versa. We also had to add a bit more padding because the tension was so great and this kept bending.
I'm going to hold it away from you.
Ready?
3, 1.
Yeah, I think Silversons is one of the only companies around that's offering this unique skills week. It's work experience with a twist. They're coming in, they're making it, it's a bit of a competition. We were oversubscribed for this October Skills Week, so we are running another one in February 2017, the next school half term, so we will have our full quota for that as well.